Today's defense news. The highlights. DRDO conducts release trials of long-range glide bomb Gaurav from Su-30 MKI aircraft. Chhattisgarh emerges as India's new electronics powerhouse. Keel Laying ceremony of the third next-generation offshore petrol vessel held on 11th of April. Innovation, AI, supercomputers, space technology, and defense are the key areas for joint partnership between India and Italy. India interested in Israel's advanced Barak-MX missile defense system. India's indigenous missile defense systems, the BM-04 missile, India's next generation conventional counterforce weapon. An A1 for procurement of 105 mm 37 caliber mounted gun system, PARADROPPABLE, along with ammunition vehicle. Maharashtra signs MOU with Russia's ROSATOM for developing thorium-based small modular reactor. Ziroh Labs and IIT Madras unveil Compact AI, enabling affordable AI model operation on standard CPUs, bypassing costly GPUs. India's future airborne SIGINT CONJAM spy plane contract, L3 Harris highlights proven technology while Thales promotes the Make in India vision. In the global highlights, Spain receives first European Airbus A330 MRTT multi-role aircraft to replace US-made Boeing 707 tankers. A look at the news in detail. DRDO successfully conducted the release trials of long-range glide bomb LRGB Gaurav between 8th to 10th April from the Su-30 MKI aircraft. During the trials, the weapon was integrated to multiple stations in different warhead configurations with land target. The trials successfully demonstrated range close to 100 kilometers with pinpoint accuracy. LRGB Gaurav is a 1,000 kilo class glide bomb designed by and developed indigenously by Research Center Imarat, Armament Research and Development Establishment, and Integrated Test Range Chandipur. Senior officials of DRDO and the Air Force participated and reviewed these trials. The system has been realized with the support of Development Cum Production Partners DCPP, Adani Defense Systems, and Bharat Forge and various MSMEs. The trials are paving the way towards induction of the weapon into the Air Force. The Center for Military Airworthiness and Certification and DGQA contributed towards certification and quality assurance. A state-of-the-art Commons Facilities Center is being established in Naya Raipur under the Greenfield Electronics Manufacturing Cluster initiative, marking a significant step in Chhattisgarh's journey towards becoming a national hub for electronics and semiconductor manufacturing. Designed to foster innovation, industrial collaboration, and employment generation, the CFC will offer critical infrastructure and technical support to startups and industries working in sectors such as semiconductors, electric vehicles, automation, and renewable energy solutions. Developed by the Naya Raipur Atal Nagar Development Authority, the project has received 75 crore rupees in central assistance from the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. With a total cost of rupees 108 crores, the remaining 33 crores will be contributed by Chhattisgarh government. Spread over 3.23 acres, the facility will house cutting-edge capabilities including printed circuit board prototyping, 3D printing, electromagnetic compatibility, EMC testing, and environmental reliability assessments. These services will be instrumental for companies engaged in manufacturing SCADA panels, solar charge controllers, LED lighting solutions, and advanced electronic components. The keel laying ceremony of the third next generation offshore petrol vessel was held at GRSE in Kolkata on 11th of April. The contracts for indigenous design and construction of 11 NGO-PVs were conducted on 30th of March 23 with Goa Shipyard and GRSE, with 7 ships to be constructed by lead shipyard GSL and 4 ships by GRSE. The NGO-PVs, with an approximate tonnage of 3,000 tons, are designed for coastal defense and surveillance, search and rescue operations, protection of offshore assets, and anti-piracy missions. Mr. Ecce Antonio Tajani, Deputy Prime Minister of Italy, emphasized the importance of collaboration between India and Italy in areas like innovation, artificial intelligence, supercomputers, space technology, and defense during the Italy-India Business, Science and Technology Forum on 11th of April. This forum is part of the Joint Strategic Action Plan 2529 aimed at strengthening bilateral ties and fostering partnerships in these critical sectors. The Deputy Prime Minister highlighted India's potential as a key player in the Indo-Pacific region and stressed the need for investments and cooperation to unlock opportunities in these fields. One of Israel's most dynamic defense firms, the Israeli Aerospace Industries, has recently produced the Barak-MX missile defense system. India has shown interest in purchasing this system. The Barak-MX stands out for its modularity, scalability, and combat-proven effectiveness. As a multi-layered defense solution, it integrates advanced interceptors, sensors, and battle management systems into a cohesive architecture, making it a highly sought after asset for nations aiming to bolster their defense capabilities. This missile defense system is an evolution of the similar Barak-8, which was jointly developed by Israel and DRDO. Unlike its predecessor, the new Barak-MX was designed entirely by IAI to meet both domestic and international requirements, offering a flexible and scalable defense solution. The system employs a smart launcher capable of deploying three distinct interceptors: the Barak MRAD, that is the medium range air defense, with a 21-mile range, the Barak LRAD, that is long range air defense, with a 43-mile range, and the Barak ER, that is the extended range, with an 86-mile range. Each interceptor is equipped with advanced radar seekers, dual pulse rocket motors, with the ER variant featuring an additional booster and a high degree of maneuverability, enabling precise engagement of diverse threats. Its battle management center coordinates operations across multiple units, creating a unified aerial picture and enabling networked defense, a key component for countering the kind of saturation attacks that are endemic on most modern battlefields. The system's vertical launch capability ensures complete 360-degree coverage, while its active RF seekers provide all-weather performance and the ability to engage low radar cross-section targets. DRDO has recently unveiled the BM-04 missile, a sophisticated short-range ballistic missile (SRBM). Dubbed as the BM-04, the new missile is akin to the already deployed Agni-P nuclear-armed missile with a range specific to striking Pakistan. The BM-04 is 10.2 meters long, 1.2 meters in diameter, and weighs 11,500 kilos. The missile has a two-stage solid fuel propulsion system. It can engage targets located at a maximum distance of 1,500 kilometers with a 500 kilo conventional warhead and has a 30-meter circular error probability. It can be deployed using a six-wheel Indigenous Transport Erector Launcher, that is the TEL. Like the existing missiles in the Indian arsenal, the BM-04 is canisterized, which allows the warheads to be mated with the delivery systems in advance, thus reducing the time required to fire the projectile. According to Mr. G.A. Srinivasamurthy, a distinguished scientist at DRDL, once deployed, the BM-04 will be distinct from the previous missiles. He stated that the DRDL successfully produced a hypersonic missile with artificial intelligence assistance in December 24. This implies that the BM-04 missiles can be regularly upgraded with new warheads, sensors, and propulsion systems as the threat matrix evolves. This will make the BM-04 a robust and reliable system that can withstand future threats. The mobility feature enables a shoot and scoot strategy that enhances survivability against enemy counterstrikes by allowing launchers to quickly relocate after firing. The canisterized design further supports this operational approach by enabling immediate launch readiness when required. The Ministry of Defense has granted the acceptance of necessity for the procurement of the 105 mm 37 caliber mounted gun system PARADROPPABLE along with its ammunition vehicle. The system will be procured under the Buy Indian category. The paradroppable design of this artillery system addresses critical gaps in the Indian Army's inventory, particularly for rapid responses units like the Parachute Regiment and Mountain Strike Corps. It can be deployed in high altitude or inaccessible regions, enhancing operational flexibility. The request for proposal for the system is expected by 1st of June. With the request for proposal expected by 1st of June and interested vendors invited to express interest by 6th of May, the program aims to equip the Army with a lightweight, mobile, and paradroppable artillery system tailored for challenging terrains. Among the potential contenders, Bharat Forge's Garuda 105 V2 stands out as a promising indigenous solution. The 105 mm 37 caliber mounted gun system is designed to address specific operational challenges in mountainous and high altitude areas where heavy artillery is often impractical due to logistic constraints. The paradroppable feature ensures rapid deployment in remote regions, making it a force multiplier for airborne and mountain warfare units. The system's specification reflects its intended role: a maximum combat weight of 8 tons, a service life of at least 20 years, and compatibility with in-service 105 mm ammunition. The gun must achieve a maximum range of at least 17,000 meters and a minimum range of 2,500 meters, with a barrel life of at least 4,500 equivalent full charge. Additionally, its dimensions, that is the length around 6 meters, height around 2.5 meters and width around 2.5 meters, ensures it can be airdropped from aircraft like the C-17 Globemaster, enhancing strategic deployability. Among the potential options, Bharat Forge's Garuda 105 V2, developed by its subsidiary Kalyani Strategic Systems, is a strong contender. The Garuda 105 is an ultra-lightweight mobile artillery system designed to meet the demands of high-altitude warfare. The other potential contenders are the Tata Advanced Systems, proposing a mounted gun system integrated with a light armored multipurpose vehicle, and Mahindra Defence Systems, developing a mounted gun system tailored for the tender. Maharashtra signed a memorandum of understanding with Russia's state-owned company ROSATOM for the development of a small modular reactor (SMR) based on thorium fuel. The main objective of the MOU is to jointly develop a thorium reactor in Maharashtra, commercialize thorium reactors as per safety standards of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, and establish an assembly line for thorium reactors under the Make in Maharashtra initiative. The Maharashtra Institution for Transformation (MITRA) will provide strategic support for the joint development. All work will be carried out in accordance with the guidelines of the Centre and Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. A joint working group will be formed to facilitate coordination and research for this project. Representatives from the signing organizations, that is the Mahad Genco, Rosatom Energy Projects, MITRA, and Global Technology Alliance, will participate in the project's execution. Deep tech startup Ziroh Labs, in collaboration with the Indian Institute of Technology Madras and IIT M Pravatak Technologies Foundation, launched Kompact AI, an AI platform that enables foundational models to be built and run using CPUs without requiring GPUs. The three parties are also aligning to establish a center of AI research to solve India's compute accessibility challenges. The COAIR will focus on developing practical, efficient AI solutions focusing on CPU and edge device interface inferencing. California headquartered Ziroh Labs has designed Kompact AI with the aim of making AI's benefit available to all, even those who cannot afford expensive GPU infra. While AI development is currently dominated by large general purpose models designed for scale, Ziroh Labs wants to serve small and medium sized companies and startups with their platform. It solves the problem of inference and fine tuning for models with less than 50 B parameters and allows developers to build, train, and infer AI using CPUs commonly found in cloud data centers and edge devices. Kompact AI features a model library which consists of multiple foundational models such as DeepSeek, Qwen, and Llama optimized for CPU compatibility. These models range from text, speech, vision, and multimodal models. India is actively pursuing the acquisition of advanced airborne SIGINT, that is the signals intelligence, and COMJAM, that is communications jamming, spy planes to bolster its electronic warfare capabilities. The project, spearheaded by DRDO and Air Force, aims to convert three Airbus A319 aircrafts into state-of-the-art platforms for electronic reconnaissance and jamming operations. Two major contenders have emerged. L3 Harris Technologies of US, known for its combat-proven intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance systems. L3 Harris offers advanced SIGINT suites, electronic warfare tools, and real-time data processing capabilities. Their proposal emphasizes mature, tested technology. The second contender is the Thales Group of France. Leveraging its long-standing collaboration with India, Thales highlights its expertise in radar, avionics, and electronic warfare systems. Their pitch aligns with India's Make in India initiative, emphasizing local manufacturing and technology transfer. Bharat Electronics is also in contention, showcasing indigenous capabilities and aiming to reduce foreign dependency. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.